DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the accurate mapping and data collection of various geographical locations. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, the need for reliable and skilled DGPS surveyors is paramount. These professionals utilize advanced technology and equipment to measure and record precise coordinates, elevations, and distances. The data collected by DGPS surveyors is crucial for a range of applications, including urban planning, infrastructure development, and land surveying. One prominent company in this field is SCON Design, based in Delhi. SCON Design has established itself as a leading provider of DGPS surveying services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, and surrounding areas. With their team of highly trained and experienced surveyors, SCON Design ensures that all surveying projects are executed with utmost precision and accuracy. DGPS surveyors from SCON Design utilize state-of-the-art equipment that combines satellite positioning with ground-based reference stations to enhance the accuracy of measurements. This technology allows them to overcome the limitations of traditional DGP systems and deliver highly reliable data. Whether it is a large-scale land survey or a detailed mapping project, SCON Design's DGPS surveyors are equipped to handle any challenge. Raj Nagar, located in Ghaziabad, is a fast-growing area with increasing development activities. It is crucial for developers, architects, and urban planners to have access to accurate data for their projects. DGPS surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad provide the necessary information required for these professionals to make informed decisions regarding land use, infrastructure planning, and design. SCON Design prides itself on its commitment to delivering high-quality services to its clients. Their DGPS surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad adhere to strict quality control measures and follow industry best practices. They ensure that all data collected is reliable, accurate, and up-to-date. DGPS surveyors are essential to the precise mapping and data gathering of many different geographical regions. The demand for dependable and knowledgeable DGPS surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, is critical. These experts measure and document exact coordinates, elevations, and distances using cutting-edge tools and technologies. Urban planning, infrastructure development, and land surveying are just a few of the many applications that depend on the information gathered by DGPS surveyors. SCON Design, a well-known business in this industry, is situated in Delhi. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, and the surrounding areas, SCON Design has made a name for itself as a top supplier of DGPS surveying services. SCON Design guarantees that all surveying projects are carried out with the utmost precision and accuracy thanks to their staff of highly skilled and experienced surveyors. SCON Design's DGPS surveyors use cutting-edge gear that combines satellite location with ground-based reference stations to increase measurement accuracy. They can now give data that is extremely